Case Digest Criminal Procedure Vicente Foz, Jr., and Danny G. Fajardo, vs. People of the Philippines GR number 167,764 Facts, that on or about July 5, 1994 in the city of Iloilo, Philippines both Vicente Foz, Jr. and Danny G. Fajardo as columnist and editor-publisher, respectively, of Panay News, a daily publication with a considerable circulation in the city of Iloilo and throughout the region, did then and there willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously with malicious intent of impeaching the virtue, honesty, integrity and reputation of Dr. Edgar Portigo, a physician and medical practitioner in Iloilo City, and with the malicious intent of injuring and exposing said Dr. Portigo to public hatred, contempt and ridicule, write and publish in the regular issue of said daily publication on July 5, 1994, a certain article entitled, Meet Dr. Portigo, Company Physician, wherein said Dr. Portigo was portrayed as wanting in high sense of professional integrity, trust, and responsibility expected of him as a physician, which imputation and insinuation as both accused knew were entirely false and malicious and without foundation in fact and therefore highly libelous, offensive, and derogatory to the good name, character, and reputation of the said Dr. Edgar Portigo. Petitioners pleaded not guilty, but the RDC found them guilty as charged. Petitioners' motion for reconsideration was denied. They appealed to CA but their appeal and their motion for reconsideration were denied. Hence, this petition. Petitioners raise for the first time the issue that the information charging them with libel did not contain allegations sufficient to vest jurisdiction in the RDC of Iloilo City. Issue, whether or not the RDC of Iloilo City, Branch 23, had jurisdiction over the offense of libel as charged in the information dated October 17, 1994. Held, venue in criminal cases is an essential element of jurisdiction. For jurisdiction to be acquired by courts in criminal cases, the offense should have been committed or any one of its essential ingredients took place within the territorial jurisdiction of the court. The jurisdiction of a court over the case is determined by the allegations in the complaint or information. And once it is so shown, the court may validly take cognizance of the case. However, if the evidence adduced during the trial show that the offense was committed somewhere else, the court should dismiss the action for want of jurisdiction. In Igbe Yani Viseo, the rules on venue in Article 360 were restated as follows: 1. Whether the offended party is a public official or a private person, the criminal action may be filed in the court of first instance of the province or city where the libelous article is printed and first published. 2. If the offended party is a private individual, the criminal action may also be filed in the court of first instance of the province where he actually resided at the time of the commission of the offense. 3. If the offended party is a public officer whose office is in Manila at the time of the commission of the offense, the action may be filed in the court of first instance of Manila. 4. If the offended party is a public officer holding office outside of Manila, the action may be filed in the court of first instance of the province or city where he held office at the time of the commission of the offense. Applying the foregoing law to this case, since Dr. Portigo is a private individual at the time of the publication of the alleged libelous article, the venue of the libel case may be in the province or city where the libelous article was printed and first published, or in the province where Dr. Portigo actually resided at the time of the commission of the offense. The allegations in the information that Panay News, a daily publication with a considerable circulation in the city of Iloilo and throughout the region, only showed that Iloilo was the place where Panay News was in considerable circulation but did not establish that the said publication was printed and first published in Iloilo City. Article 360 of the Revised Penal Code as amended provides that a private individual may also file the libel case in the RDC of the province where he actually resided at the time of the commission of the offense. The information filed against petitioners failed to allege the residence of Dr. Portigo. While the information alleges that Dr. Edgar Portigo is a physician and medical practitioner in Iloilo City, such allegation did not clearly and positively indicate that he was actually residing in Iloilo City at the time of the commission of the offense. It is possible that Dr. Portigo was actually residing in another place. Considering that the information failed to allege the venue requirements for a libel case under Article 360, The court finds that the RDC of Iloilo City had no jurisdiction to hear this case.